We already checked out of our hotel in Lake Tahoe. Now we're en route to San Francisco, which is around a 3-hour drive. We'll be staying there a couple of nights at an IHG hotel, which is really nice. So we'll show you, of course, once we're there. We are also staying on points again, so it'll be free, which is great because that saves us a lot of money.
King size bed, bathroom. What's this closet? Closet, bathroom. Looks very vintage. Here's a phone again. So we're here in San Francisco. We'll be here 2 nights. We're gonna go walk around a bit and maybe find some dinner.
We're going to go have some food, but it's super windy, so we are hoping that you'll be able to hear us. At least here, there's not that much wind. There's also obviously a lot of hills, so that'll be interesting to see how it is.
I think it's pretty, but I feel bad that I forgot my jacket, so now I'm freezing. It's so windy today. It's not that bad when you're standing in the sun, but maybe I might stop and get a jacket.
And the hotel's pretty central, but still, of course, everything's a lot more difficult to get to because of the hills. So 1 mile is a lot more than you would think because you're going downhill or uphill. Let's see if we make it with this wind.
I'm ready to try mine. I got the mini burger with 1 patty. And this is a local chain, so they have several locations in the Bay Area. They make their ingredients are organic and locally sourced. So this is a 1 patty mini burger. That's really good. I got jalapenos and cheese. They're not spicy. It's good. I also ordered the garlic fries with cheese. You could smell the garlic from here. And these are their house-made pickles. A little bit rustic cut. They smell sweet. They don't actually smell sour. I can't tell what flavor it is, but it kind of has like spices in it. It's sweet, but also spicy at the same time. I'm not sure.
I'm gonna try this cookies and cream super shake. I'm not sure what's super about it. Actually, let me take this off.
What's in the name?
What?
Super Duper burgers.
Yeah, that's what they're all called, but everything is supposed to be organic, made fresh. Let's see how this tastes. I have a pretty big sweet tooth, so let's see.
Is it creamy?
Yeah, it tastes good. And then the cookies, it is thick. But the cookies are good. The ice cream is good. Definitely good. Want some? So the search for a sweater was completed.
I'm ready to go out and walk. TV kids section, $15.
So as we told you earlier, it's a little colder than we expected, or actually we thought it might be a little cooler, but Andrea forgot her sweater, so we had to go find one. It took us a little longer than we expected, so yeah. Going up and down these hills is a workout. What do you think?
That's what I get from not going home.
Yeah, it's a good workout, especially after those fries and the burgers we had. We're almost there.
We found a parking lot a block away. It's $40 a day. and we can see it actually from our own hotel room, so it's a pretty good deal. At the hotel they had parking, but it was more expensive, $64 a night. Here it was $40.
We are all ready for tomorrow. Today everything seems to be closing a little early, so I don't think we're gonna go out anymore. Plus we're a little tired, we're just gonna rest. How was the first day?
Cold, got better at night. Yeah, we'll plan more things tomorrow, so we'll see what we can do.
Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning everyone, this is day 2 in San Francisco, and today we're going to
Lombard Street and other landmarks here in San Francisco.
And Lombard Street is that famous zigzag road which a lot of people have seen on TV. And today the weather's looking pretty nice, so I think it'll be a better day.
Yeah.
So we are now going up the steps, which are actually easier than coming up the hill because, as we told you, it's pretty steep. Pretty busy. Obviously this is a pretty popular location where people come take pictures. Okay, maybe this is obvious to the locals, but we've determined that the majority of the people are here just to record. Everyone's on their phone as they're going down in their cars. Hey everyone, so we made it to the Fisherman's Wharf. It's a really nice area, and we were just wondering how it might be if COVID wasn't a thing, because it looks a little empty, and given that this is a pretty touristic spot. But we're gonna see how it is, and we're just at the start of it, so there's plenty of walking left. Okay, so we are here still at Fisherman's Wharf, and we found Alcatraz. We weren't able to get any tickets, but we still get a view from here. And Andrea, what do you think?
I think the view from here is great. If I had a quarter. So this is an Alcatraz, the Alcatraz Island.
So this is what?
This is Alcatraz Island. It used to be a federal prison, and now it's a national park that people can visit every day. And they offer tours for a fee. They take you on a cruise and can do tours. So today we're not doing that, but we'll show you other landmarks here in San Francisco. They've got caramel popcorn.
So we're here at Pier 39, and there's a ton of different shops, places you can eat. There's even a magic shop that we went to. Overall, yeah, just a very nice place. Smells great. You're right by the water.
The restaurants smell great, but the water smells like fish.
Yeah, so we'll keep walking, and then we'll show you. We probably won't eat here, but we're just gonna take a walk. So we were walking around, and it smells like cotton candy, different type of food, and it was reminding us of like a carnival or an amusement park. Which this reminds us of what upcoming trip? Yeah, it reminds us of an upcoming trip that we have that you'll see later. But for now, we'll enjoy this place.
We're going to the Ferry Building for lunch. To eat at Imperial Tea Garden, and they had some sticky buns there. I think this is a chicken one. It's $3 each. This one is chicken. Do you eat the paper? It's like coming off. Would you eat it? This is a barbecue pork bun. It's sweet. It's good.
I got the pork belly sandwich. See, it looks pretty good. We'll see how it is.
That one looks good.
It looks good, but I don't think it's my favorite. I want to try the barbecue one. Maybe you can try this one if you prefer it. It's still good. So we got some of these.
Bananas. This one, they're both banana and
They were $3.50 each, but they seem to be pretty good.
I think it's good. It's homemade dulce de leche. And has bananas inside. I think I want more.
It's good. Yeah, maybe the bananas are caramelized or something.
It's nice. Crispy on the outside, warm on the inside.
Yeah, I definitely recommend these. If you are here at the Ferry Building marketplace, definitely get one of these.
From El Porteño.
We decided to walk back from the Ferry Building to the hotel. It doesn't seem like a long walk, but we'll see how it is once we're getting to these hills. And Andrea says, yeah, it's a workout, and she says it's not a big deal. So I'll record again when we're at the top, and we'll see her reaction then.
Put me on the spot.
How's it going? She's already getting tired. Her pride won't let her stop, but here we go. We're not even at the top yet.
Stop it. It was over a mile to our hotel, but I walked it.
So we made it to Alamo Square, which was a long walk, but well worth it because we are at the park now. And it's beautiful. There's a lot of people here enjoying the weather and the view because we are in front of a pretty historic landmark, which Andrea will tell you more about.
So these houses behind me are called the Painted Ladies, and it refers to the paint that they used to make the structure stand out for these old Victorian homes. I used to watch Full House when I was younger, so I always wanted to see this place in person. And I mean, it's a regular house, someone actually lives there. The door is a different color compared to the TV show, but it's nice to be here and see all these houses in this neighborhood.
Yeah, and for me, again, I didn't grow up watching this, so I saw some episodes, but just didn't even watch it regularly. And it's just a regular house, I think. I understand now why people would confuse it with the Painted Ladies. Yeah, a little underwhelming, but if you're a fan, I guess it's worth coming and checking it out. Yeah, and now we're going to
the Palace of the Arts.
see you there. So we are here at the Palace of Fine Arts, and it's really close to the Golden Gate Bridge. I had never heard of this, but Andrea said that we should come here, and it's well worth a visit. As you can see, it's beautiful. It has this really nice water feature with a fountain. So yeah, pretty relaxing spot. What do you think of it? Was it worth coming here?
Yes, it was worth the hike up the hills. You can also hear some boats out on the water from here, so it's really nice.
Yeah, from here we're gonna go to the Golden Gate Bridge, which is just a few minutes away. Yeah, we're just gonna keep walking as we have been doing all day. Okay, so we finally made it to the Golden Gate Bridge. And as you can see, it's right behind us, but this is as far as we're gonna go. We're pretty tired because we walked around 10 miles, probably more. We'll add it up and then we'll show you on screen how much it was. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it quits for today. Tomorrow we're gonna wake up and head somewhere else. But what'd you think of the park and the Golden Gate Bridge?
I thought it was nice. I enjoyed walking over here, and it was a good experience walking around San Francisco today. There is an option to drive here, but we decided to do it the hard way and explore the city by walking.
Yeah, we always like to walk because you get to see more of the city. And maybe if you come with a car, it's a lot easier, but you miss some of the little neighborhoods or things that you would have seen if you're walking. So yeah, we really enjoyed our walk over here, and we're enjoying the park right now. But that'll be it for today. Tomorrow, we'll go somewhere else, so tune in for that video.